CFA exam access scholarship May 2025. Did you apply for it? I'm sure you might have got the result by now. Are you wondering what the next steps are? Then keep watching. Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is especially for all those people who have applied for the May 2025 CFA Access Scholarship. I know the results are out and a lot of you have been asking what are the next steps. You also have some doubts. I'm going to be answering all of them in this video. So let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work, even ittu sa, then please subscribe to the channel and join the community, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you're already a part of this channel, then thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Also guys, before I get to the video, sorry for this ajeeb hulia. I just came back from a dance class, but I wanted to make this video. Change of video kiya hai maine, so please accommodate. Now, first things first, a lot of you who have applied for the May 2025 scholarship have not got the scholarship. I'm really sorry for that. I understand it is very frustrating, very heartbreaking. A lot of you have genuine financial issues, jiske wajah se, it becomes tough to give the exam, but it is what it is, unfortunately. Let's understand the 3 reasons why you possibly have not got the scholarship in ascending order. That is least probable to most probable reason. First reason might be that maybe आप जब वो financial part fill करते हो, you may not have hit their mark of okay, this is the financial consideration that you should have had, or this is the financial position you should have been in for them to consider you. That could be the least probable reason, but a reason. Second, slightly more probable reason that you did not get the scholarship was in your essay you have not mentioned why you are an ideal candidate to get the scholarship. Let's understand this better. And know this thing that when they give you a scholarship, they basically are investing money on you. You're like a business that they feel will grow, so they will only invest the money, they will only give the scholarship to people who they feel will make the best use of the scholarship. That is, who will actually pass the exam and आगे जाके कुछ बहुत बड़ा करेंगे life में. So somewhere in your essay, that credibility or that assurance has not come to them. They have not felt that you are that good that they should give you that scholarship. Okay, so that is the second slightly more probable reason. And the most probable reason, highly likely, that you do not get the scholarship in spite of being actually financially needy, also having a good essay where you've actually put in your credentials and all of those things are there. The most probable reason why you've not got the scholarship is because there are a lot of people who are applying for the scholarship. Understand, almost all the candidates apply for the scholarship. Some people do it ki yaar luck lag jayega, and some people who really need it. And now what happens is, when there are so many people applying for it, they obviously can't give it to so many people. So suppose there are, like, let's just take a random figure, this is not an actual figure, 20 candidates who maybe deserve the scholarship according to their analysis, but they have, again, random figure, not true, only 2 scholarships. So they will have to choose even from those 20, right? So kabhi it's just a matter of the number of candidates or applicants are a lot and the number of scholarships are less. That is the most probable chance that you haven't got the scholarship. Coming to important questions. You will have the early bird option, but only till October 16th, only till the actual early bird deadline for the May 2025 exam. Please don't think even for once that you have the scholarship deadline till the end of the registration. I'm going to put a screenshot here. It is clearly mentioned that all scholarships from May 2025 onwards, this is from that analysis, that's why I'm telling you that it's mentioned from that, will have a deadline. If you do not get the scholarship, your early bird deadline will remain the early bird. The reason that they have changed this is because you'll see that the scholarship result has come before the early bird deadline, quite before, right? The early bird deadline is like almost a month away, so they know that you have enough time for it. So don't think that you have till the end of the registration. You have only till the actual early bird of May 2016 to use your early bird coupon. Why is this thing here is not hearing? Very out of context, but anyways, so that was about the early bird. Next point, can you apply for the August 2025 scholarship? Yes, you can, but of course that will completely take away your May early bird chances. Now, what are your chances that you will get the scholarship for August, it remains the same. The same 50% gamble goes for August as well. It's not that they will think, yeah, do baar he's applied, so we should consider him. It's not like that. So please get that out of your head. It's also not that they got rejected once, so the chances of being rejected again are higher. Aisa bhi kuch nahi hota. Chances are absolutely the same. The only possible chance that you will not get a scholarship is if you have ever wasted a scholarship attempt. Wo socho. A lot of you have also asked that is there any other way to reduce the fees for the exam. Unfortunately, there is none. Of late, the institute has started this EMI method wherein basically you don't need to pay the lump sum altogether. This is, by the way, for Indian candidates only from India. But you break it down. I do not have enough knowledge about it as of yet to speak about it, but you can check it out on the website and check it out maybe with your bank if this is a better option for you, and maybe you can try that. That's the only way. Other than that, like I said, August 2025 scholarship windows will open in November. So in case you're looking out for that, then please just wait for November. And yeah, I think that's that. If you guys have any more questions, please let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do my best to answer it with whatever I know. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.